Alright. Pero sa akin yung sabong.
Para pa rin.
If you walking, if you walking, if you walking into my.
Magpas kayo daw, may mask, kailangan may mask. Okay. What's up? Oh, picture. Oh, yung mga may sakit. Mga takot sa sakit. Oh, ito ang mastermind namin. Ito yung partner namin. Ito yung supplier.
Kung kulang kayo ng supply, call me.
Call me.
Kaya mental.
Nabawasan ng... Uy, grabe mo. Close up. Okay. Let's go outside. Okay guys. Lakad muna tayo guys. Ay, dito muna kami guys. Hintay-hintay muna ng service. Oh guys, nandito na yung service namin. Let's go. Oh man, can I sit here, sir?
Bye.
Thank you. So sir, how far the Siemens Club
From here,
from here?
about 10 minutes.
15 minutes. Alright, see your name.
Hello. Welcome to my vlog, man.
Ayos naman yung ano dito, yung ano dito. Ano? Here we go. Oh, saan yan mo dala?
You cannot open.
Automatic dun sa tingin.
No, it's not automatic. The handle at the top, pull, and push the door out.
Oh.
Got it?
Mga bahay.
Oo. Wala ka sa probinsya namin. Sorry vlog ha. Ani-ana kami. Pasulod na kami sa Siemens Club. Oops. Oops.
Person. 9 persons.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Were you all on the roof?
Yep. Si Idol Jun, isang motorista, isang rider na nagmamayari ng ano sabihin ka tol?
Motor.
Okay, sulat ng bahala natin dito.
Oh, ito.
Alright guys, ito na yung Seaman's Lab.
Saan na yung mod? Hello, my friend.
Kababayan natin yun.
Alright guys, tingnan natin yung view. Raya pa tol? Raya pa mall? Alright. Kapagod. Hello guys. Ito na, this week. Alright, there we go.